Yeah. Concrete jungle. Island Heart. Red River. Yeah. City never sleeps, hear the sirens sing. Dreams cost blood if you want that ring. Started with nothing but a vision so clear. Now my voice shake walls every time they hear. Too many fake smiles, too many handshakes. Everybody hungry, everybody chasing breaks. I just keep moving with my eyes on the prize. Truth in my words, you can see it in my eyes. When the pressure gets heavy, I remember where I'm from. In the wall got a story to tell. Some made heaven, some trapped in hell. Life throw punches, I learned how to slip. Kept my faith loaded right there on my hip. Never sold my soul for a seat at the table. Built my own lane cause I knew I was able. Now the team's all winning, everybody eats. Real love louder than applause in the streets. Every mountain gets smaller when your faith gets stronger. The money and the platinum plaques. It's the people back home saying welcome back. Every sacrifice was worth every tear. Now the future looking brighter every single year. I'ma lift my brothers every chance I get, cause a king ain't a king if his people forget. So I carry my roots with every line I write. Island in my soul, city in my life. Take me where my heart belongs. Even through the darkest storms, I'll be strong. Don't let this fire die. I'm still reaching for the sky. Take me where my heart belongs. Even through the darkest storms, I'll be strong. Don't let this fire die. I'm still reaching for the Hear my Take me where my heart belongs. Even through the darkest storms, I'll be strong. Don't let this fire die. I'm still reaching for